Tasty Basic Architect, yeah. So, we're at a different project out here, somewhere outside of Oslo, Norway. I'm doing a little construction tour. So, you can see there, they use a lot of exterior rock wool. They have the base frame there that gets covered in Sigma-vest. Sigma-vest is a weather-resistant barrier. You can see it over here. It's basically the blue stuff that's on the wall. You can see it there. It's taped at the bottom, taped at the top, around all openings when the windows get installed. Take a walk over here and check out, people we're doing the tour with. But take a walk by them. Check it out. So it appears to be a CLT frame on the inside. And then we have
that fastener is a good 6 inches down in there.
So INSO tag, where is it? There it is. And then you can see the sill is installed, fully pan flashed. The gray Reson tape, which I don't think I've ever seen gray Reson tape before. Self-cleaning face, BioClean glazing. You can see they, we do that typically. Put some temporary bucks on the window so that we know that it's nice and level. Put it up. There's a little spacer over the window. I'm going to back up a little bit. So you can see that. It's tucked in there nicely. Sill extends over. See that? Yeah, let's head it on inside. Alright, so I moved on to elevation here. All these hoses, those are nothing more than conduits that come out of the wall, for one. It's pretty interesting. We have one over here, so we'll check it out. But yeah, it's just a plastic conduit. You can see it there. It comes out of the wall, and the reason they do that is that way there they can seal against the conduit nice and easy. But what I wanted to show you is we have that rock wool here. It's put on with those little fasteners that are very deep weld inside there, but you can see here we have a 2x frame that is furring, and then there's this appears to be like a 1/2 inch exterior gypsum board. It's pretty hard. What's interesting is this is a sloped plane, so I would guess it's at, I don't know, probably like 80 degrees, and then that just simply gets fastened to the rain screen system there. And you can see it goes all the way down the wall. So I don't know what the finish is on here. So, but why don't we head inside and check it out. All right, so jumped inside here, and as you can imagine, it's pretty noisy, but it's all CLT construction, and we'll go check that out. But the thing that I wanted to point out is, look at the size of those tapered beams. I mean, they're probably close to about 7 feet tall on that side, and they tapered down to about 4 feet on that side. And again, it's all that CLT product. Come over here. And this is kind of the reverse of the other project. The other project had 3 of the smaller pieces in the middle, 3 of the 3/4, and these 5/4 were out on the edge. This has appears to be 3 at 3/4 and then 2 at the 5/4 or 1-inch dimension on the inside. It's I mean, that's just a breathtaking room here. Absolutely incredible. But a lot of the construction is the same. In here, this is pretty interesting. You can see that wall actually has a slope. We were just outside looking at it. Remember, that was slope. And it's actually getting a roofing product. I just chatted with the gent. This is pretty cool. I have seen it before. I don't know exactly what these are for, but you know, these are heavily insulated. Right? You can see the insulation around that pipe. So it must be in some kind of mechanical room here, and that's probably bringing some kind of like geothermal system into this area. Would be the only reason, I think, to insulate those pipes. So you know, we have the benefit of seeing through it because it's not drywalled. So they do a series of mix of that CLT with the aluminum framing. So let's go see what else we can find here. I'll just give you one more shot of this. It is pretty incredible. We have that large girder beam there, picking up all of these roof beams with that clear story space. So, all right, let's go see what else we can find. All right, so we're in that main space, taking a walk here. I just wanted to point this out. You can see there at the floor level, that's all CLT2. It's just a much deeper piece. You can see the different layers on that, but this stuff is gorgeous. You know, CLT is slowly starting to make its way into America, but this is all like a spruce, I believe. Norwegian spruce is the wood. You know, again, the fact that it gets laminated, and, although it is pretty interesting, these crowns go in the same direction. So, but you get some really nice aesthetics. Even the elevator shaft here is all CLT. All right, let's head upstairs.